Puspon, pero Ginoo diyan kanan ang akong ipangandoy o ipanulti ninyo aniyana sa inyong atubangan. Ako lang huwatol o niya pa mo igabot na ba si Madam Cora ako? Ano makasugod na ta? Ako lang pa hinumduma, ako pahinumdum lang ko sa mga players katong mga champion teams, one photographer, si Switzel at si Luminario. Tarawan mo yun. 5 kalitsyon, 42 kalitsyon manok. Okay.
Jose, and welcome to the Worldwide Holdings Basketball Cup 2023 Championship and Awarding Ceremony. Okay, wala pa na sila. Okay, so muna sila, palihog ko picture together with Kapitan o sa atong SK Chairman. At sa stage. Together with our SVP Director, please. Let's have a picture with our... Pakpakan na to sila, or kay sila ba yun daw, no? Na kay Jersey, okay. Appeal Jude. Napa ang ano? Ang uniform. Okay. Thank you. So, sa kuan. Together with the barangay captain. Atong tagaan sa masibang pakpak ang representative sa outlet. Asa man ang outlet? Ball boys. Asa man sa midget category, Sparrows. Asa ang Sparrows? Namoy tulog sa manok. Please prepare. Asa man ang pigeons. Pigeons. Sa pigeon. Duha din yan ito. Ang heron. Asa man ang heron? Heron. Okay. So duha daw ko ang atong champion sa atong midget category. Champion sa lechon. Asa man ang Team Hawks? Team Hawks. Representative sa Team Hawks.
Mr. Operator, Patya Music, Teman.
Asa man ang taga Hawks? Wala isa? Wala Kawakin, okay. Wala representative from Kawakin? Okay, let's go to the adult category. Highway Star. Ang Highway Star. Ang representative So na tayo mga future, no? What if, mag-liga, no? Sa Albor Puhon, maybe 5 to 10 years from now, nanay, pambako ang taga Tabuan laging handa because they've already trained their kids, no? Sa mga ingani ng mga liga. And I'm so proud of you parents as well for being so supportive with your children sa unsay ilang ganahan. Kapako na to ang mga inahan o kamanghanan ng mga bata, oy, kay dili lalim in town, no? Yes! Behind the success of these children are parents as well who are very proud. Karon. Sana all may leksyon. Now, kung naman ta sa mosquito category, ato na ta sa midget category. Atong ikaduhang na category sa basketball league. Let's announce the second runner-up. They will receive a cash prize of 2,000 pesos donated by Mr. and Mrs. Hermes Bagnol and family, and the trophy is donated by the Gadia family of Torrance, California, USA. And the midget category second runner-up is the Herons from Puro President, Puro Cuatro. So just an announcement. Tumaday ko nung ka-team ang makadawag o election from the midget category. No? Kami kayong panihapon, bahala ka na sutyo na kapin. Thank you so much, Herons, I mean. So the first runner-up for the midget category, dili gusto ilang madawat, kundi isa po ka, tibuok nga Lechon Baboy, and a cash prize of 3,000 pesos, donated by Mr. Jasper Cabanlit. Ang nag-donate sa Lechon sa ato ang first runner-up is si Mr. Ito kining liga na rin sa Tagbani kay kung magpasingot, kaon na ba sa baboy, no? And now, I will be announcing the champions for the midget category for this year's basketball league here in Tagbani. They will receive a cash prize of 5,000 pesos donated by Mayor Don Justin Babayap, and the trophy is donated by the Gadia family of Torrance, California, USA. And they will receive once again a one Lechon Baboy. Our champion for the midget category is from Puro Uno and Dos, the Team Store. Uy, asan mo na yung Team Store? Pagpakan na to! Sila, no? Yes! Category. Let's announce first the most valuable players for each category. We have from the Mosquito, we have from the Midget, and we have from the adult category. Kinsa kaha ang atong MVP?
Yo, tanaw da carbon na. Carbon na yo.
Okay, our MVP for the our mosquito category most valuable player or MVP is none other than Warren Bongosa. Let's have a picture. You will receive a cash prize of 500 pesos and a trophy. The trophy is given by Mr. and Mrs. Jojo Bongosa and family. Okay, our midget category most valuable player. He will receive a 750 pesos cash prize and a trophy. None other than most valuable player for the midget category is Keeper Bumat of Team Store.
Smile bro, smile.
Okay, so the trophy is donated by Mr. and Mrs. Jojo Bongosa and family. Now, we will be announcing the most valuable player of the adult category. And our most valuable player, kinsa kaha nga the most valuable player? He is from Purok 7A. We have Mr. Mike Espinosa. Congratulations, you are. He will receive a trophy and a 1,000 pesos cash prize. The trophy is donated by Mr. and Mrs. Tito Borges and family. Once again, thank you so much for all our sponsors. Now, I will be announcing the winners of our basketball league for the adult category, our last category. For the third runner-up, they will receive a 2,000 pesos cash prize donated by Reverend Father Eugene Kungol of USA. And the trophy as well is donated by Mr. and Mrs. Nelson Simbahon and family. Our third runner-up for the adult category is Team Tahimik Drive, Purok 1B. Pakpakan na to ang Tahimik Drive. And now let's announce the second runner-up. The second runner-up will receive a 3,000 pesos cash prize donated by Mr. and Mrs. Rachel Lim and family. And the trophy is donated by Mr. and Mrs. Romeo Bagnol and family. Our second runner-up, let's give a round of applause to Team Center King! From Puro 3, 4, and 5. They received the cash prize, the trophy, and, of course, the troops to go, that's one we know. Now, okay, our first runner-up Pablito Dumagan and family. Our first runner-up for the adult category is Team Chosen from Puro Bus. Pakpakan siya na pa-worker. Bago pa ba na yun taon na nahuman sila Dumagan kanina. Bago pa rin sila nahuman. Dua, no? Okay, pagkabot ako mo yung last quarter aning mga tawhana. So, once again, congratulations, Team Chosen. First runner-up is not that bad. But of course, in every competition, in every league, there is only one held champion. And our champion for the adult category Basketball Cup 2023 here in Taguane will receive a 7,000 pesos cash prize donated by Attorney Jordan M. Pizarro. Pakpakan na to. And a very big trophy as well that donated by Reverend Father Eugene Tungol of USA and a one Lechon Baboy. Grabe, you know, what a way to celebrate. Lechon Baboy man yun. Our adult category champion team is none other than Upper Taguane! Ang winning dance ni Kuya no, lahat na yun o. Smile! Ka na sa murag gidaog. Smile! No? Yan na dapat. It's not every day that you're winning, so seize the moment, everyone. Let's have a picture with Kagawad Mantiza, acknowledging the arrival of one of our councilors here at the municipality of Albuquerque. We have Honorable Councilor Michael Mantiza. Pakpakan na po, no? For giving us that grabe gift. Pakpakan na po si Kagawad Michael. Kagyahiyan kita.
Sabal gagawan ng lengme. Tayo. Quad leng. Dulo mo to, simanak mo. Dami usap ko dito sa Baboy. Ay,